let's talk about fruit. What can we do to maybe make sure that the apple just doesn't really just go to the teacher and maybe doesn't get enjoyed by the child?
True. So packing, some fruits that's, in its most natural form, it's the easiest stuff to pack. So grabbing a banana or an apple.
Sure.
Now, when we talk about younger kids, it may be difficult for them to just grab an apple and bite into it. So I didn't bring this one cut up, but maybe, if the apple's coming back in the lunchbox, you may actually consider cutting it and then putting it in a little container or baggie so that the child can just eat it. So we have to think about all those little things, especially the younger the child is, when it comes to packing a healthy lunchbox. But any type of fruit is not just good for lunch, but we talked about that after school snack. So just eating a banana, can help bridge them until it's dinner time. But that after school snack, fruit would be another great option.
Okay, good to know. Kind of a multi-purpose food option there with the fruit. All right, let's move on to grains, another important food group.
Yes. So when we talk about grains, we can think about the bread. We can talk about tortillas, like a whole grain wheat tortilla, or even a whole grain corn tortilla. We can talk about oatmeal, and there's just even pasta. I've noticed a lot of kids when we go visit some of the schools, they have pasta, and it tends to be popular with the kids. But why not that whole grain pasta? Or what I like to even recommend, the half and half. So you boil half whole grain and half white pasta, and then it's all mixed, and that way they got half of their grains to be whole grain. So kids can be picky, we know that.
Right.
If it's brown, they may not like the color, but again, it's about having those conversations and those introductions to these foods. So choosing whole grain is important. Here in front, we do have an example of we all grew up on this, and I'm glad they're still around, the basic peanut butter sandwich. Notice I didn't say peanut butter jelly. I did leave out the jelly, but here we do have a great opportunity to have the whole grain, to have a great source of healthy fat, healthy protein with the peanut butter. You can even add slices of fruit into the sandwich. And I'm not totally against the jelly, but maybe keeping it like a very thin layer, adding more peanut butter than the jelly, or fresh fruit. You can put fresh slices of strawberry instead of that jelly, and that way you also add another food group with all the flavor.